Hey, welcome back to Depew Shop. This is a new series, 7 parts, and we're going to be showing you a slideshow of all the past builds I did before I was at YouTube. So at least I can share with you guys some builds that I did and hopefully inspire you. This particular video is going to be about old Schwinns and Raleighs. So sit back and enjoy the slideshow. I'm going to talk a little bit about every bike that I did, hopefully keeping one bike per minute so it'll be nice and quick, won't bore you. But I hope, like I said, my goal is to inspire you on your next builds and at least enjoy looking at some cool old bikes. So let's get started. Okay, we can't start talking about Schwinns and Raleighs without talking about a Stingray Fastback with the nut buster shifter on it, and of course a speedometer and a slick and a banana seat and ape hangers. I mean, it just doesn't get much more Schwinn than that. This was my friend's bike growing up. He owned it from when it was new. I bought it from him and restored it, and it's no longer with me now, but it was a cool bike. It was nice to own one. And boy, I tell you what, I know why you guys like these when you collect them, because they're pretty cool looking bikes and they ride really cool and they're really special. All right, here's a Schwinn New World. Another one probably just after World War II. This frame was out, and the patina on this thing was super cool. It was like a blue-gray color. I stuck all new components, wheels and drivetrain, and it had the coolest front fender ever on a bike that I thought. It was such a neat, cool bike. It was a coaster brake setup, but the wheels, everything on here was brand new, and it was the perfect example of an old bike doing a resto-mod and updating it with brand new components. Kind of a mix of old and new, and it turned out beautiful. Absolutely love this one. All right, if you've ever tackled a Raleigh Sports, and this is what this thing looked like when I got it, you know what I'm up against. This definitely was one of the harder ones that I've ever done. There's, on a Raleigh, everything's metric and English, and there are so many little bits and pieces. Everything is steel, everything is rusty, and it's a fussy little bike to work on. This one turned out pretty darn cool. You know, after all the work was done, it's one that I was actually kind of proud to look at. Had some new components on it. I had new brakes that made it stop better, and I put some Schwalbe new tires on it, and the cream tires, and it really made everything pop. But yeah, really cool bike. Don't enjoy working on these guys though, that's for sure. And as soon as I'm done complaining about rallies, here's another one I did. This is a before and there's an after of a really nice girls Raleigh Superb. And there again, you know what? Throw in these Delta Cruiser Schwalbe tires, these cream tires onto these old Rallies, just make them look fantastic. But there again, another bike that's a lot of work. In the end, beautiful. They're timeless classics, beast of a bike you can't kill. But overall, very lovely bike. But don't care for working on them. And then the American version of the Raleigh is this Schwinn Racer. This Schwinn Racer, after I got it and got it all cleaned up and finished, I was surprised. There was not a chip on this paint. It was absolutely perfect. I think it was a 66, and I could not believe the condition that this bike was in when I was done with it. I mean, everything I wiped came clean, and it was absolutely stunning when it was done. The pictures really don't do it justice, but This one was a pretty cool bike and turned out fantastic. Now this last Schwinn was a frame and fork that was given to me, and I had nothing else. I ended up cobbling together and using aluminum wheels and the cranks and so forth from like a newer Schwinn BMX bike, along with a new banana seat and some ape hanger bars I found. And this bike was so cool because it wasn't heavy because of the aluminum wheels, and it was just a cool like Restomod Stingray. There you go. I hope you liked it. Hope it inspired you. Hope you liked the builds. Preferably, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments about what you saw. Also, there's links in the description below with my website and any kind of product links of stuff that I've used in the past. And we'll see you on the next video. All right, bye.